Introducing Barhead's new Power Platform-based workforce management app, COVID-19 Return to Office and Beyond. The COVID-19 Return to Office and Beyond app is designed and built as a comprehensive workspace booking solution that can manage office spaces, meeting rooms, common areas, shared facilities, and working from home. A floor plan functionality is included to help users visualize the layout of each floor. Based on the actual blueprints of the office, the floor plans are highly accurate and easy to understand. Teams and access rules are defined to give control of access rights and properly manage spaces in the process of returning to work. You can set rules and configurations depending on the rollout phases and procedures at your organization. The app allows users to make remote bookings, view bookings, and manage quick check-ins of workspaces. Employees can choose office desks, meeting rooms, common areas, and homes as options in reserving workspaces. The app also gives users a quick view of bookings and allows them to easily duplicate and edit current bookings. This model-driven app is designed for managers and decision makers who need to easily track and trace the movement of employees. It displays dashboards such as daily and weekly booking logs, which serve as a guide in managing facilities in the workplace. You can configure these dashboards to meet your organization's reporting requirements. Under Settings at the left bar, users can see the different structures and assets that are available for employees. The list of bookings and locations in which these structures and assets are located can also be viewed. Information such as structure types, asset types, and space types are included for fast and easy management. Advanced analytics via Power BI comes with visual dashboards for accurate and organized reporting. The dashboard displays building and floor capacity of offices, including available and booked capacity. The dashboard also shows the availability per floor and spaces. In the Peak Arrival Time tab, details such as arrival time, building, floor area, and number of arrivals are included for highly accurate contact tracing. In the Bookable Spaces tab, the number of bookable spaces in multiple offices across the organization can be determined at a glance. Filters are also available to check the booked spaces per office location. This way, employees can easily identify the available spaces within a given time frame. Users can also see the number of occupants per building through the Occupancy and Breach tab, improving the ability to maintain social distancing. It shows the start time, end time, total capacity, and a list of current occupants in each area for employees to plan productively. Incident reports can also be generated through the app. The report includes data of potential cases and pull-out activity tracing, such as employee-to-employee interactions, employee-to-guest interaction, and use of common areas and working spaces. In this way, contact tracing and incident management can be carried out. The app is built in Microsoft Power Platform and is secured by Microsoft. It integrates with Microsoft Teams and Power Virtual Agent, giving access to the entire process with the productivity applications employees are familiar with. Power Virtual Agent allows the user to create a booking record and do a check-in and/or check-out based on their booking for the day. The Azure-based bot can do this through their Microsoft Teams activity, or prompt them to check in manually to specify where they are working that day. IoT integration has been developed with pre-built settings to connect to common IoT sensors, scanners, and networks. The Ricoh Integration Cloud can incorporate solutions such as people counting, health stations for temperature checks, and facial recognition, as well as access control, ID scanners, and desk check-ins. The COVID-19 Return to Office and Beyond app is designed to easily integrate with business systems, room reservation apps, and project management solutions such as ServiceNow, SAP, IBM, and many others. It's another Barhead first, which signifies our commitment in helping organizations digitally transform in this fast-changing world.